Ready to supercharge your customer interactions and build conversations that actually convert? Today, we're diving deep into creating Aisensy flows as a message inside the Aisensy app so you can build dynamic, engaging experiences for your audience. Let's get started. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Flows section. This area might also be labeled Automation or something similar, depending on your version. Next, click on Create New Flow to start a fresh interaction sequence. This will open the Flow Builder. Now, define your trigger. This is what starts the flow. It could be a keyword, a specific button click, or even a customer joining a group. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Now, drag and drop various nodes from the left sidebar to build your conversation flow. These nodes could include sending text messages, displaying images, adding interactive buttons, or setting up conditional logic based on customer responses. Connect these nodes to determine the flow of your conversation. Just click and drag to link one node to another, designing the path customers will take through your interactive message. Use the preview feature to test your flow and make sure everything is working as expected. This is where you can catch errors and refine the user experience. Once you're satisfied, save your flow. Now you can use your newly created flow as a message when composing messages or configuring automated responses. And that's it. You've just created an Aisensy flow as a message to boost engagement and guide your customers through a seamless experience. Get creative and build amazing conversations.